So if you want to make your Android phone look like an iPhone 17, this video is literally made for you. This right here is my Android phone and there's an app on the Play Store, over 100 million downloads and 4-star rating that can completely change how your phone looks and feels. In this video, I'll show you everything that changes and I will walk you through every setting step by step so you don't miss anything. Alright, first thing, let's open the app. Once the app opens, just wait a couple seconds. Now you will see a language options. Select English US, then tap the continue button and the top. After that, tap continue again and yes, once more time. Now you'll see land on a screen that says get started and you will also see something like 100 plus countries and over 10 million trusted users worldwide. Just tap get started. Next, the app gives you the option to choose a wallpaper. If you want to the default iPhone style wallpaper, you can select it right here, and if not, you can skip it or change it later. It's totally up to you. After that, tap agree and move forward. Now the app will ask for display over other apps permission. To do that, simply find the app in the list and turn the permission on. Next, you will need to enable device and app notifications. Tap it, allow notification access and then come back. Now to create the widget, tap the create button. After that, hit continue again. At this point, the launcher will ask for storage permission. Just tap allow so it can work properly. Once that's done, the app is fully ready. If you want, you can also set it as your default launcher. And now look at this. Your Android phone is completely transformed. It looks just like the latest iPhone. If you want to remove any app or widget, just tap and hold on it and drag it wherever you want. Exactly like iOS. If you pay close attention, you will notice that all the app icons now look like default iPhone apps. And here's one of the coolest part. You get an iPhone style floating button. When you tap it, you can access notifications, recent apps, the home screen and the control center all from one place. Now take a look at the lock screen. You can clearly see it looks just like an iPhone lock screen. So yeah, this is how you can give your Android phone a full iPhone 17 style look and feel. All you have to do is follow these steps and you can do everything easily. On this channel, I share videos about Android security, customization and antivirus apps. Things that actually help upgrade and improve your phone in today's world. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos. I have got a lot of cool stuff coming. I'll see you in the next one.